Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Google Maps to your Shopify store, right? It is very easy to do it, so just follow my instruction and steps very carefully, right? So first of all, you have to just go to your Google Maps, right? So for example, just go to your location, whatever location you want to put this or put on your Shopify store, right? For example, this. So once you open your store or location over Google Maps, you have to click on the share button. Once you click on the share button, here you will find an option which is called embedded a map, right? Once you're here, you will get this option copy HTML, right? By the way, you can also change the size. For example, I just want it in a very small manner or maybe a medium one, right? Once I do it, once you are satisfied with the size, you can just copy HTML. Once you do it, you will get a notification copied to clipboard, right? Once you're done, then just go back to your Shopify. Once you go back to your Shopify, now go to the online store, right? And under the drop down, go to the page section, right? Usually people put it under the contact section, so I will choose the contact section here, right? And in the content, I will just paste whatever the link I have copied, right? And I will just write here my location, right? Once I do it, for example, yeah, so my location, I've given a title, and I will just go a little bit down and I will click on save. Once I click on save, you can see, for example, let me view the page and I will show you. Here it is, right? So under few seconds it will get fixed and you will able to see your location here, right? So guys, many of you would be thinking that this is a link, where is the store location, right? To do that, you have to just refresh this, right? Once you refresh this, let it just get refreshed, right? Once you're here, but guys, if this problem is not fixed because we didn't paste it in the HTML format, right? So if you're facing this problem just like me, you can do this. Just go to here, show HTML, right? Once you do it, just click on save, right? Or if it is not giving you a share save option, then just refresh this page. Once you refresh this page, it will automatically show this page, right? For example, let me paste it once again here, right? And I will just click on save, right? And I will just refresh this out. Right now guys, you can see that the story is visible and I will just refresh in my page 2, right? I'll just click on view page and under few seconds the problem is solved, right? So in this way you can just fix it. I hope you got the point that how you can add Google Maps to your Shopify store, and if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.